Figured I'd do an update. We're still cleaning up the inside. I got some deodorizer going on the carpets. Going to be putting a new radio in, a factory Volkswagen radio. Going to be putting one of those in, original. Still cleaning up the dashes, cleaning up the back. I had to put a new actuator for the door, so the rear door is working now. And working like it should. I got to get a fan control module so I can fix the AC. It's on the way. And I fixed the fog lamps. I just got to put this trim back on underneath. Of course, got the transmission in. Works just fine. Getting everything done on it. I'm going to try to fix these headlights. Kind of make them shine a little bit. Of course, I'm going to wash it, wax it, clean the windows up. And I got some turbo decals going on the side here. Next video you'll see them going on. So this is the latest update. We're getting there. Not too much more, but it is a driving and moving vehicle now. So thanks for watching. Subscribe so you see more.
I don't wanna see you